Hello, superstars. You're welcome to La Prince World Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe. In this short video, I'm going to analyze V25 so you'll see how the market is for today. All right, so let's get started. Now, before you analyze the market, let's look at the market on a higher time frame perspective. So I will go straight to daily time frame. I'm going to remove all these things. So I will start from the scratch. Remove everything here. All right, so the market is on a plain it's a plain chart now. So I'm going to see what the market is happening. So first of all, let's use trend line. That's my best friend to see the overall trend. So this was a trend that got broken. This was a trend that got broken. All right, you have a trend here. The market, it was broken. So we cannot say this market is still an uptrend. So the market is now officially a downtrend because it has been broken. So now we expect that the market is going to pull back. All right, the market is going to pull back to this trend line here. So look for more sell opportunities. So let's go to 4 hours time frame to see what I'm talking about. So the market is still pulling back. What you're seeing right now is a pullback. Pullback is still happening. So this particular down movement, this particular down movement you're seeing here, this is the pullback. So most likely this market will pull back to this level before the market will start going to the downside. So for that sake, we'll look for, of course, let's draw a trend line this way. So we expect the market to, of course, get to this trend line. So we'll look for buy sell opportunity. We'll look for sell opportunity when the market gets to this particular line. So maybe I'm going to change that to yellow. I'm going to change that to yellow so you understand what I'm trying to say here. The market is a downtrend. It's a downtrend, but we can also do a short buy. All right, we can also do a short buy. No, it's not yellow yet. Let's change it to yellow. All right, so we have this yellow line here. So I expect that the market will pull back to this place here for the market to continue to the downside. So what you're seeing is a temporary pullback. It's a downtrend. It's a downtrend now. So we are seeing a pullback. So if you want to take advantage of the buys, you can also take advantage of the pullback, which is buy that is happening. So we see a buy already happening here. So we can still look for a short. These buys are not going to be a long buy. It's going to be a short buy. If you are buying, it's going to be a short buy because already the market is giving us higher high and higher lows here. You see higher high, higher lows. So probably if the market pull back to this level, we can still look for buy opportunity. Perhaps here. So let me use a horizontal line. So we expect the market to again pull back to this level. All right, because sometimes if you put it here, it may break through the trend line and then get to this level. So let's see if the market is going to react. All right, they will look for a short buy, not long buy. These buys are going to be very short, but the major trend is a downtrend right now. So we are waiting for the market to, of course, pull back to this level, maybe this trend line. But sometimes if you get to this trend line, it may most likely, let's see if this trend line, let me see if I can draw this trend line with this lower time frame now, 1 hour. So let's see if the 1 hour will give us. Okay, let's keep it like this. So we expect the market to react on this trend. It may not buy here. So let's expect the market to maybe a little bit. If If you buy here, sometimes you may not make money because price may push down the trend line and then take your stop loss before going to the upside. So let's wait for the market to get to this, maybe this level. All right. When the market get to this level, the entry strategy is this. You're going to go back to lower time frame, maybe like 15 minutes or even 5 minutes time frame. At that level, this is what I teach on my academy most of the time. I tell my people to do this. You have to have a counter trend line. So what did this counter trend line means? Let me put a 50 minutes time frame. So the counter trend line will show, obviously. What does it mean? Because the market is already pulling down. It's coming down. This is a downtrend. So before you look for buy opportunities, make sure you allow the market to break out of this particular counter trend like this yellow one here and retest back to this trend line before you look for buy opportunities, if at all you have to buy. So at that time, you can even go to 5 minutes time frame and watch the market to break out of this particular trend line, this yellow one here that you're seeing me pointing. Don't just buy here because the market has touched your trend line. Don't just buy here. You must have this counter trend line. The reason why you don't want to buy here because it may have a fake breakout. Market may just, if you buy here, the market may fake you out, take your stop loss before going to the upside. So before you buy, ensure that you allow the market to break out, see some level of breakouts, right? Maybe 5 minutes time frame, let it break out 5 minutes time frame, and then retest. When the retest happened, you will now go to 1 minute time frame and take your buy position. Look for a bullish engulfing candlestick, pin bar, whatever you want to see there, but a buy signal should happen before you now take your buy. So these are your analyze the market. Remember, I started with daily time frame. All right, the daily time frame gives me clarity that this market has broken the daily time frame trend line, so it's expecting back to this. It's doing what is called pullback. It may get to this level before the buys will end, and then the sell may continue. So these are your analyze the market, guys. I hope this video helps. If you have not joined the Prince World Academy, what are you waiting for? We have students who knew nothing, absolutely nothing about trading, but today, after joining the academy, they're making money and I hear thank you every single day. So guys, join the academy, create account with Deriv. If you have not created an account, below this video, you will see a link. On the bio of my account, you see a link to create a Deriv account. Get started, join our Telegram community and get started making money while trading. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.